So our lovely patient is getting married in a couple months, so we're working on her skin. This is going to be her first treatment. So basically we're going to be targeting pigmentation, just dullness of the skin. She does have some hyperpigmentation in her lower face. So we're doing a combination of lasers to help with brightening the skin, texture. We're going to spot treat some of the little sunspots she has, and then she's going to come back in about 4 to 6 weeks for her next treatment. Have you always had that mole, or was that mole something that came up like later on?
I think maybe like high school.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trying to think back on when. Some days I feel like I just wake up with new ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Don't you hate that?
Mm-hmm. Like I said, I like one or two of them, but it's like all over my
I
face.
know.
My fiance has none anywhere.
Really? Does he wear sunscreen?
Nothing.
Oh, I hate that.
He does
So lucky.
He wears no moisturizer. I think he like uses a shampoo to wash his face. Like I don't even.
Why do guys do that? I don't even know.
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Like, we care about it and we have to
Yeah.
do all this stuff to kind of nice.
I know. And they also do what they don't. They also respond really well to if they do try to do it right. Their skin looks a lot better, faster than ours. You okay? Okay. This next one is going to deal with also pigment, but then it helps with like the texture and like the glowiness of the skin. Yeah. 10 March. You can actually probably do one the beginning of March, and then by the time the event happens, you'll be pretty much healed. That'll give you a good 2 weeks, but this one, the downtime is not really that long. I would say max, because this is your first treatment, maybe like 10 days, 10, 12. The second one, you should heal a lot quicker.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're already kind of like below the first layer kind of thing?
Yeah, because we're already starting that, the collagen cascade stimulation. And so by the time you come in for your next treatment, you'll probably heal a lot quicker. Got my glasses on.
This first event will be, most of our events will be separate, so just like the wedding and the reception.
Have you hold the fan? Sorry, yeah.
Okay. Right here?
Yeah,
Or whatever.
wherever you can feel it, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take the goggles off, but just keep your eyes closed, okay? Yeah. You can relax your upper lip. And I know they didn't do your brow, but I'm gonna do it, okay? It's gonna be spicy. I'm gonna lift. Yeah. Almost done. We're gonna do your neck now. Go ahead and lift your chin slightly. Usually the neck takes a little bit longer to heal, but just make sure when you do your skincare, you're taking it all the way down to your neck.
I have a hydroquinone cream that's 5%, I think.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you can use that. I would probably start that tomorrow and just apply it in the morning before your vitamin C, and then at night before your tread. A gentle moisturizer, or the B5 that you have with a moisturizer, and then a sunscreen. And then I can give you a mask to use later on today. Okay, this last part's the spiciest part. We do it superficially, which is where all the nerve endings are, so it's gonna be spicy, but I'll be fast, okay? Let me know if you need a break. Maybe 1, 2, and 3, and we'll keep going. Don't forget to breathe. Good job. Perfect. Nostro. Perfect. How was that?
Not bad.
Oh, nice.
No, I'm just kidding. It's terrible.
Is that just for the camera? I'm like, should I go fast or go slow? I was like, if I go slow, then it takes longer. But if I go fast, it hurts, but it's over with faster. So I'm like,
So true. And you keep punching, you keep going, and
just keep punching me. There you go.
no, it's excellent. Thank you.
So I want you to cool your face for probably the next like 5 to 10, just to kind of dissipate some of the heat. I'm gonna go grab some a mask for you, and then just use gentle skincare. I also put some of the growth factors and exosomes on top, so while those channels are open. Alrighty, just hang out for a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over your aftercare with you. So I wrote down the instructions on here so make it a lot easier, but wash your face with a gentle cleanser, hydroquinone, let that dry, and then you'll do a lipid serum, which is hydrating, so in the AM, and then a gentle moisturizer mixed with ointment, and you just wanna use like maybe this much, face and neck, and then sunscreen. So there's a mask in here. So the mask you can do either in about 45 minutes once your skin starts to cool down, or you can use it at the end of the day, like when you're winding down, just to kind of hydrate, and then go to bed. All right. Okay, here you go. You're welcome. You did so good. I'll take that little guy.
Oh, you're tough.
She's done me before.
Oh.
Who?
Or that stuff is gone?
No.
Oh, no kidding.
I do when I do in here. I go up in between the.
In the mouth.
Yeah.
And breathe during this. Don't hold your breath. Pass out on me.
I've
Beautiful.
been doing here and here and then inside.
You can do the outside from the inside.
Yeah.
Oh.
Opie?
Opie?
Ah. That's what they say to Tatum. I'm sorry, I have a 2-year-old and I say Opie.
That's crazy.
Sorry.
He's so cute.
He is such in a tantrum right now, I swear. He bangs his head all the time. I hope it's a phase, like honestly, because it worries me.
Look at the corner of her mouth. That's nice.
What did you do?
I put some right there. Do you see how this is straight and that's like kind of turned up?
Do you like it? Oh my god, this should be.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to talk, sorry.
I'm probably showing you up to work.
You can go back to work. Why not? Honestly, I like to be intramuscular. I don't like to be submucosal. It's just you just
Migrate?
no, it doesn't migrate.
Push down the muscle?
and you just a little, you know, the vessel's just right behind, so people don't like to go. They want to go submucosal. And I'm like, you go submucosal, and it's gonna look like lumps of bumps. Did a good nerve block. Thanks, Jess. Yeah, do you have a little Vaseline? Did they get photos of you today? I straightened out your mouth. You know what I'm saying?
Good.
Yeah, it was like downturned before. Like the Riddler. Smile big. Have you ever heard of Chapstick?
You're so mean.
You ever heard of lip balm?
I have very dry skin. I do wear it.
I'm just wondering if...
I had it on before I came in.
Alright. You say so. Bro. Those lips are tea.
Oh, those are pretty nice, actually.
Those are tea. You're welcome.
Okay, you did a pretty good job.
Tea. They'll settle down. Let them kind of go down.